Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how I make my fenugreek water for hair growth. This is pretty simple. All you need is just your fenugreek, your water and your jar. Measure out 2 tablespoons of fenugreek. The quantity depends on you. For this video I made use of 2 tablespoons of fenugreek. Put it into the jar and then go in with your hot water. Of course, I always infuse my herbs overnight, so that is exactly what I did. Of course, I will always use my teas for hair growth because it contains majorly water, which are very essential for hair growth. It conditions and moisturizes your hair. I believe this video is self-explanatory. Let me tell you the pros and cons of using fenugreek for hair growth. Fenugreek promotes hair growth. The compound found in fenugreek can stimulate hair growth. Fenugreek is rich in antioxidants and fatty acid that help nourish and moisturize the hair, leaving it soft, smooth, and manageable. Fenugreek reduces hair fall by strengthening the hair from the root. Fenugreek contains antifungal and anti-inflammatory properties that can help fight dandruff and soothe itchy scalp. Fenugreek can repair damaged hair. The amino acid found in fenugreek can repair damaged hair. Now let me tell you about the cons of using fenugreek. We know that everything good has the bad side, so let me tell you the cons of using fenugreek for hair growth. Fenugreek has a strong smell and also a sticky texture that may be unpleasant to some people. I remember when I started using fenugreek, after using the water, when I go outside, people will be like, who is smelling food, or who is smelling curry, or who is smelling something unpleasant? It is because of the fenugreek I usually use for my hair. It smells very bad. There are some people who can tolerate it, but if you can, good for you. Fenugreek can cause build-up and weigh the hair down when it is overly used. Some people are allergic to fenugreek. It can cause redness and itchiness on the scalp, so it is advisable to do a batch test before using it. Fenugreek can interact with some medication such as diabetes medication and blood pressure medication, so before you use it, please try to do your research or do a batch test before using it. So this is what my fenugreek looks like the following day. It has properly infused and the fenugreek seed has doubled in size. So when you're doing yours, use a little amount of fenugreek because once it is properly soaked, it is going to double in size. But for the fenugreek seed, it is not a waste because I'm still going to use it for something else. For now, I'm just taking out the water for my hair. Then the fenugreek seed will be used for something else much later. What I did next is to transfer my fenugreek water into my spray bottle to make it easier for me to spray. For the duration, this can stay in your refrigerator for 7 days, but if you do not have a refrigerator, this can stay for 3 days. After 3 days, you will notice a formation on top, which is a sign that this thing is bad. You throw it away and make another one. This is the seed which I'm going to use as a conditioner much later. I am going to film it and you guys are going to see it. So I'm not going to throw this away. I'm going to keep it because it is still very useful. I am not going to waste anything. If you have watched to this point, please consider subscribing to the channel. Now let me show you how I use this fenugreek water for maximum results. I started by spraying it into my hair, focusing mainly on my scalp, then use my hand to massage it into my hair. This will give you instant result because my hair was dry, but immediately I poured this thing on my hair was soft. Honestly, I just wish you can feel what my hair felt like after I massaged this water into my hair. My hair was so soft. For those who can't tolerate the smell of this fenugreek, when you're infusing yours, use lemon peel or orange peel to infuse it. Just put lemon peel into the jar and then add water. This will help reduce the smell of the fenugreek.